Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Warmer AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in warmer.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Warmer AI website. Now from the home page, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will be asked to use your credentials if you haven't logged in already. Just use your credentials and click on the login button and you will be taken into your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. You will then be taken into your profile settings page, from which you will directly be able to change your name. Just type in your preferred name for your account and then scroll down and click on the save button. And now as soon as you click on the save button, your username will immediately be changed. And you can come back to this menu anytime and change your name as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on Warmer AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.